Good morning, everyone. My name is Pritish Bajaj. I've been intern with a NGO named as We Did It, and recently I've got an assignment. And the assignment was to ask some questions, like just an interview type from a lawyer. So this is Vansh Chawla. I would like to welcome you. He's an excellent lawyer. He's been a lawyer for more than 4 to 5 years now. He has been part of Augusta Westland case. It's a very big case, by the way. He's been part of various high-profile ED cases. Has worked as defense counsel and has been numerous amounts of PIL. So I would like to welcome you, and I would like to thank you so much for getting some time from your busy schedule. Thank you so much. How are you?
I'm good, Pritish. How are you?
So I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you so much for asking. So there are just three questions. I won't take much of your time. It will be very quick. I just want to ask you three questions. All right.
Yeah.
So the first question I would like to ask you is, what is your most important learning in life?
Mm, So, as a part of experience, what I have gauged through my legal experience and seeing by the complexities which the society is facing currently, be it the youth and be it the mid-level, middle-age level people. So, the kindness and some act of generosity, it can have a very huge impact on someone's life. So
That's
that's
right. That's right.
very important. You have to be generous, kind enough towards the other people so that they are not hesitating towards sharing anything. And do remember one thing, that what there's a very, a common uh, hearing, or you can say quotation, that whatever you give to the society, it comes back to you with 1,000 times more positive vibes. So that is what, you know it is the need of the hour, because the kind of society and the pressurized and considering the amount of stresses and everything people are going through, it's really very important.
Perfect, perfectly. I really agree with you. Given by the mental health Gen Z generation is going these days, it's really scary, and it is very important. I personally feel the same. I really feel that a person should be kind to another person because you don't know what kind of battle the person is facing in their life.
Exactly.
So, moving on to the next question, it is like I hope I'm not taking much of your time.
No, that's
So
fine.
the next question. Thank you so much. The second question is, what is the change you wish to see in Indian judiciary?
um well, this question is a very important one, because as from the previous years, what we are seeing is there is almost an increased growth of pendency in the cases. Like, if you will see the statistical data from past 2 to 3 years, there is an annual growth of about 2.8% approximately. And you will be surprised to know that a whooping count of 4.5 crore cases are pending so far till date. So my suggestion would be, like, there should be, increased in the judicial capacities. There should be more appointment of judges, so that a single judge cannot take the entire, because if you will see, considering the facts, if you can see, there is one judge over approximately 20,000 people. So that needs to be,
So you're saying for one judge, it is one judge is for 20,000 people.
yeah,
That's too much. That's
that's
too
too much.
much. Yeah,
That's exactly
got
what's
it.
because there is a limited time scope in which we do understand the scope of it, that it's very limited for a single person to do effectively entire things and all. So there are few requirements that are very much important for today's date. Like, first, I have talked about the increased in the judicial capacity. Second, there should be more faster trial courts, because there are cases which are being running now for like 20 to 25 years of. So, and thereafter there should be some case managements and court management. And I would request my fellow, advocates too, that they should also be kind enough to help rather than do delay a process of justice, so that the justice can be seen to be done. It should not be delayed forever.
Good point. Like, I mean, the next question would just be interlinked to what I'm going to tell you. So I just wanted to say I'm just very new at it, and I'm still studying, and I haven't like interned anywhere in district court and in high courts. I've been working at Rohini court for a while. I've worked there, and I've seen the cases it is, and I've always preferred corporate personally, because given by the thing that is going on in the court, and given by the rush, given by the anxiety and everything, it gives me too much pressure. So yeah, I think it is for one person, it's just too much overload. So again, what message do you want to convey to lawyers of next generation? Like somebody,
Like for
just
the
what
budding
would be a
lawyers,
message that you would like to give me?
who are about to start their careers, or who are at the initial stage of their careers, I would really suggest to firstly find out their interest, as to they want to be the part of the litigation or want to be into the corporate thing, because that your part of interest is very important, because time flies and you are left with nothing in your hand. So that is first thing. And secondly, I would like to convey that, my friends, this is definitely, this profession, it requires determination and discipline in life, because one one wrong decision can decide the face of your case. दोबारा से पूछो.
नहीं ओके
नहीं ओके नहीं आया, वो अटक गया बीच में.
आंसर बोलो.
क्वेश्चन तक तेरा हो गया ना, अब आंसर मैं बोल देता हूँ. ठीक है. Well, for this is a very good question. नहीं, क्वेश्चन कहाँ से है यार? So for my upcoming budding lawyers and the people who are my friends who have just started with their initial stage, it is very much important for you to explore the part of litigation, whether they want to be the part of the litigation or they want to be in the corporate, because time passes away, and we do not have that much of time to explore the interest once we get into the practice and we get stuck upon a single thing. Secondly, that's the one aspect. And secondly, what I need to be talking is that this profession requires very determination and discipline. So because your one wrong move can decide the fate of the case, it can be a win or a lose. Likewise, you can have an example of a doctor, like when he performs his surgery, his one wrong move can take away life of the patient. So similarly, if you will see, the life of your client is in your hands, so you have to deal with your cases very responsibly, and each case is important. Whatsoever you are having, do it with full responsibility, take full onus of it, because do remember one thing, that your client is entrusting faith in you. That's why you are representing him.
Got it. I think all the points, all the questions I have asked you, you have answered it so wonderfully, and I think I have learned so much from you today. I really want to thank you for joining me today and taking time from your busy schedule.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vansh. I'm looking forward to meet you. Right?
Yeah, sure. Definitely, any day.
Perfect. So I'll see you in your office. Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah, bye.